Hi, Missy. Miss Skinny Booshki. Miss Skinny. Hey, Miss Chunky Chunk. How are you, Miss Golden? Huh? How are you? Whoa, Blue. Whoa! Don't stop being a bully. Hey! What the fuck? What was that? She wasn't even doing anything. She went... Oh, there goes the other one. Is that why? You're like, bitch, get away from my man. Ah, that's my man. That's my man. Look at the little one under there. Like, I just want some birdseed. Stay out of this drama here. Oh my God. I'm like, why is she just bullying her right there? Oh, there's a little one. What's up? You're like, stay away. Stay away from my guy, my guy. Oh, my girl, who knows? Talking about my guy, my girl. Ooh, ooh. Yeah, yeah. Hey, damn. You're like, you can't even shit on the damn swing. Same swing as my man. Hell no, that's right. That's what I was saying. I was saying that the other day. I'm like, I don't care. You know me. You know, I'm very cool and da-da-da. But I don't go for disrespect. I'll observe, but I don't go for disrespect like that. Hi. Good morning. You can eat. Back up. Go ahead. You're good. You are so good.